Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And VeChain is still, we are still, just chilling at these levels of 0.55 to 0.60, and it's still, respecting this support line like it did over here. And then obviously we have to keep a eye on this support like this over here. Whenever if you see like a weekly candle close below this, obviously the price can dump towards the downside. Okay, now even if you take your Fibonacci and just measure this move over here, okay, you can also see that as soon as over here we broke the, let's see, the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci level, we started coming down and we held support at the 0.786, had a little bit pump, got rejected by the 0.618, the golden ratio. We weren't able to break it. Then more downside came in. Okay, so we can just take this off. We can just measure this move now and to see what exactly is going on. Okay, you can see exactly the same thing. Oops, right over here. Okay, so you can see we came down, we went up, hit the zero point 0.5 level, we got rejected, we came down. Now, if it goes up, builds up the momentum, we need to break this 0.618 level, okay? Just to make it a little bit clear, we can draw this over here so you understand what's going on, okay? So let's just take the other one to the side. Okay, let's just bring this over. So you can see the price came down. Okay, price came down, we went up, we came to the 0.786 level, okay, and then we came down. See, we broke the 0.5 level, okay, right over here. Okay, we came up, hit the 0.618 level, and once we broke the 0.786 level, you have more downside that came in, okay. So 0.5 level, you broke it, then you broke the 0.786 level. So here what happened, okay, you again broke the 0.5 level, this measurement now, okay. You came down, you went up, hit the 0.5 level, you got rejected by it, you came down to the, see, you're at the 0.786 level, okay? So if you go up, you hit the 0.618 level. If you break it, that's going to be a bullish thing that it will do, okay? Because that's what it's getting rejected by in every measurement of the candlestick pattern. So if you break this, obviously you're going to go and battle this major resistance, but I would say the whole area is a major resistance, okay? Not only this whole area is a very major resistance because you have to break this, break that. If you get above the zero point 0.5 level, that's when things can start looking extremely bullish for VeChain. And this pattern that it's making a good pattern. If I just take this off, I have told you this in my previous videos. You're making something like a higher low formation, and if it can go hit here the 0.618 level, come down, maybe fall back to the support level, and then come up, break this. This is a ascending triangle formation it has made. But if you see it break this 0.786 level, it will obviously come down to these lows or this support trend line that it has been respecting. Okay, so if it comes down and it doesn't break this low over here, okay, which sits at 0.04377 or 0.04436, okay, if it comes down, doesn't break this level, there is a chance it can make a W pattern as well, okay, like that. Comes down, doesn't break this low, can come up. If if this retest gets invalidated and it goes up, it's a W pattern that it can form. But if it comes here, gets retested, and then downside can come, but you can see it is making somewhat of a bullish pattern that way then, okay? Like a falling wedge formation and then breakout like that. But again, we are going to be just moving in this pattern formation. You can see what's going on now, okay? So even if you take out your your um, this RSI, take this off now. You can see in the RSI, okay, we are making this kind of formation, like it's just bouncing off this support levels. Okay, bounce, bounce, bounce. We are right at it. So if you break this, obviously you're breaking this. So keep an eye on this. And obviously you had something very similar over here as well. Okay, let's a little bit down. Take this off, take this off, take this off. Okay, so you can see right over here when we were here, we had this kind of formation like that. And you can see whenever we broke this level of support, you can see we came all the way down, okay? And then we tried to go back up, but we couldn't, okay? Then we made this, we didn't even have any bullish divergence over here. And then this is the same scenario that's playing out, okay? So keep an eye on this. If you break this, obviously it will look a little bit, nasty. But again, I'm expecting VeChain to just play in this channel. If this ascending triangle formation does play out, then this is a very beautiful sign that it's going to make, and then eventually gearing up to break this resistance level, okay? Because over here we made a if you go to the weekly, you can see it better. Okay, here we made a rising wedge. Okay, look at that. Rising wedge broke out towards the downside. This we are trying to make an ascending triangle, but anything can happen. It can break the support or the resistance. We want it to break the resistance, of course. So if it does break the resistance, upside is imminent, okay? So keep an eye on this. I just wanted to point this out for my VeChain community. Hopefully you liked it, and if you're liking this content, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.